Premonition, a warning or feeling about a future event. When I saw the graphics, I had a premonition something bad was going to happen. Premonition comes from the Old French, which means prémonisere, meaning to warn in advance. Premonition, warn in advance. They say Nostradamus had a premonition about the Second World War. That's what they say. So Nostradamus had a premonition about the Second World War. Premonition, a warning about a future event. Progeny. Progeny is a noun and it means offspring, children, descendant, or product of something. Progeny. You are a progeny of your parents. You are a progeny of your grandparents and your great-grandparents as well. So you are a product of them. You are their product. You are their offspring. We should save our environment if we want to save the health of our community and progeny. If your dog has babies, then you will have to take care of his progeny too. The next word is remorse. Remorse is a feeling of deep regret. Remorse. She was put in jail for stealing. After that, she had moments of shame and remorse. He felt no remorse for cutting the trees. Remorse. He had extreme moments of remorse after losing his fortune in gambling. Our next word is redemption. Redemption is the act of getting something back or buying back something you have sold before. He tried for redemption by attempting to buy back the company he had sold. She finally found redemption. The act of getting something back. So she found the redemption. She must have been stressed and anxious, but finally she got her soul back and she felt relieved. So she found redemption. To have a better view of redemption, I recommend you to listen to Bob Marley's song, which is named Redemption Songs. It's one of my favorites. The next word is benediction. Benediction is a blessing, a wish for something good to happen to somebody. The act of wishing good for others. The commander spoke words of benediction to his soldiers before they went on their mission. Benediction comes from the Latin word bene, which means well, and diction, which means to speak. Pope spoke words of benediction to everyone who helps each other to make the world a better place. Benediction, a blessing. Adulation. Adulation is a noun which means flattery. Admiration with flattery. The famous DJ thanked all his fans for the applauses and adulation. When fans run like crazy towards a celebrity, they are exposed to adulation. Fans exposed to adulation for the players invaded the pitch after the victory. Adulation. Extreme admiration.